Taking a look at my schematics, I have a finished length of 11 1/4 inches for both of my bottom gussets. We can see on the exploded view that these two bottom gussets need to go inside underneath, covered by the face frame. They run directly behind the face frame to the very back of the project. The ends of my board might not be perfectly square because when I previously cut it, the edges of my board were not perfectly square. So I'm going to mark both ends of my boards, take off as little as possible to guarantee that the end is square. Measure 11 1/4 inches from my good end. Set up a stop block to that measurement and then make both of my cuts. Double checking that we are cutting off the pencil marked end of our board, not the good end. We now have both of our bottom gussets that measure a finished width of 2 1/4 inches by a finished length of 11 1/4 inches. We are still at about 1 inch thick.